got some good news and we got some bad news. The bad news is this is a new video, which it should say on the title, episode 43 re-release. But I didn't want you guys to start watching it and thinking I've seen this before, because if you watched the last one, you have seen it before. But we had some stuff on the last one I guess some people didn't want us to have on there, and I don't want to go into it any more than that. Just that I thought you guys deserved an explanation if you get watching it and thinking that you already seen it before. But we do still have some good stuff on here. Ryan going through the history of ADM Newburgh and the cool drone shots of the excavator unloading the barge full of sand and whatnot, and us hauling grain and cleaning out bins. So
hit me with that video!
We're back. First load delivered Monday morning. Back up to Robinson. Getting our load. And clean out this bin. You can see we're making her. So all that's left of this one, and we'll have to drag that belt to the next one by hand. Garrett's not too far behind me. Two of us get this cleaned out. It may or may not all fit my truck. Got full. I got the luck of the draw. While I was pulling up, Garrett hopped in, said he'd work on cleaning the bin. I just had to run the trucks for now. I'm getting his loaded, this black beauty. He's in there going to town. This truck's a little different. It's one of these I shifts. Check it out. No shifter. It's kind of like an automatic, but not really. So there's no clutch. So every time I get in here, I do this. I've about broke my foot. I feel like every time I get in here to slam it down on the clutch, just not there. But I haven't yet. But it's pretty cool. It's just different. It takes a little getting used to. About clean. Guy showed up after the work was done.
That's right.
Tuesday, and we are, you guessed it, waiting in line. Reagan got up and went with me this morning. She decided to take a nap back there after we got here. The Molslers, the rock people, I think they actually own this elevator. I'm going to try and get an interview with Ryan, whose grandpa started this. Get the full rundown on that. But it looks like they got some dirt or sand, I can't tell from here, being loaded. So I think I'm going to take the drone up and follow it from the barge or wherever it's coming from. We're about to find out. Roll the drone footage. As you can see, got a new pile of sand being unloaded off the conveyor that came off of a barge. They got a really cool conveyor system. Like, see, they can go to different, it's on wheels. I don't know if you can see it over there, but it can go different directions. Another load dump. Now usually you just take the way in on the way out. Since there's so many trucks, you can't get in the entrance, so you got to navigate through the rock yard. Look at some of those conveyors. And try not to get lost. Right, Sleeping Beauty? And we're off. They still got 3 wide. Put the Robinson, get low, and we'll be back in it. Exit through the wheel wash here. City ordinance. I'm told they get fined if we don't go through this. Road construction, tearing her out, born new. Toyota plant. More construction. Working on bridges. H&R. Used to be J&M. River. Lines tractor, John Deere dealer. Bass River. A little bigger bridge than the cannonball going across it. It's about getting ready to cross with a drill. Drill College form some of their ground. Is that a hot air balloon? Nope, just a water tower. There's the prison and our Robinson beds. Made it, didn't we? Yep. Long ways, ain't it? Congratulate you, best looking truck driver in the line. Hey, got dump 1 for the first time this year. It's the fastest, but gotta get out, dump yourself. Can't let it eat though. It's fast. can't dump up both hoppers at once, but it all comes through augers right there, so I think it's faster to pull up and dump twice, but heck, I don't know. Just depends. That's that. No, Wednesday, hat drawing day. Back on dump one again. Decided to just pull up the spot where I could dump both hoppers at once. I think that's faster. I think. I don't know. Pretty fast pit there. Back to Robinson now. Back at Robinson. Filling out of our second bin, we got a problem. We've had known it since the beginning. Our center wheel not opening. So we're down at the bottom. We just been pulling out of the side holes. And we're out of side holes to pull out of. So whole lot of shoveling about to take place. We got it! We got it! What a beautiful sight. It's a 60-degree day in December. I will take that. Bin number 2 to bite the dust this year. I'm going to be the last one loaded up here tonight. We don't want to finish in the dark. I can definitely get full out of this bin, but we don't know if another one will or not. So we had some troubles here last year with some beans rotting and sticking to the wall. No problem this year, so that's good. Thursday morning. Leaving my spot in line. One line quit moving. 2 more lines got to go through before I got to pull up. So I'm gonna take a walk through the rock yard and go see if I can find Ryan. Ask him about this place. I think he'll be best person to ask. It's your time to shine.
All right.
What's your name?
Brian Young.
Brian Young. What do you do here at ADM Newburgh?
Do a little grading, little line control, just about whatever needs to get done, you know, just keep everything going.
Yeah, keep the wheels moving, huh?
That's right. That's what you gotta do.
Need a whistle. You're
Yeah,
kind
I
of like
do.
a traffic cop.
Yeah, whistle.
Because nobody knows where to go in line. So you tell them.
That's my job for now. Yeah, that's what I try to do. So.
Yeah. You are you know the history of this place pretty well, don't you?
Yeah. My grandfather built it and built another one about 10-15 miles north of here.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, Amos Young, and 3rd generation, you know, grain brain or whatever you want to call it. So
What was it called then?
it was Young Grain.
Young Grain.
Young Grain, yeah.
When did he quit doing it?
He actually retired. It was in the early to mid 90s.
Okay.
He actually retired or whatever.
So did he sell it to ADM then?
He sold it to Garnett Grain. and
Garnett
then
Grain.
Garnett had it, and then ADM came in and bought it from Garnett.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does ADM actually own it now, or is Molzer's own it, or how's that work?
ADM has this on the lease, is what it is.
Okay.
That's what it is.
For Molzer's?
100-year lease, but it's been it's a long time ago. We still got a while yet.
Okay. So did your grandpa have it on a lease then, or did no? Okay. So that's kind of when he
Garnack and Grandpa came together, and then it took off after that. So, yeah.
How many trucks you run through here in a day?
3 320, 350 on average. I mean, just kind of give or take.
Pretty good. You guys get them through pretty quick.
We try.
Because there's some places I go, it's,
Well,
you know, 50 trucks and then...
name of the game is keep the customers happy, keep them moving, and get them back home or the farm and have them come back. So
back massages, rides to Casey's.
yeah, exactly. Whatever keeps you guys happy. No, that's about it.
Okay.
I'm here to say thanks for coming and keeping everything good on the audio and video side of it.
Thanks for buying grain so we don't go broke. It's been a slow Thursday. Been here 2.5 hours. Just about to the probe. Guess I had some computer issues. I haven't made up there. I don't know how they're doing it, but usually you take your card at the probe, scan it. Take your card at the scale, scan it. Go dump, come back, weigh out, card, scan it. Ticket prints out, then you leave. I noticed that they're taking tickets from the scale probe and handing it to people as they leave, so must still have problems, but at least they're moving us through Abengoa, which is an ethanol plant by Mount Vernon, Indiana. It's Green Plains now. They had some issues one time and we were there 5 hours before they started doing it by hand, so this is a lot better than that was.